So today, I want to walk you through 7 early signs of prostate cancer that you should never ignore. These symptoms might seem small on their own, but together they could be your body's way of telling you something isn't right. Let's start with the first one. You're in the bathroom and you suddenly notice it's harder to start urinating. You feel the urge, but nothing happens right away. Now, this could be due to an enlarged prostate, not necessarily cancer, but it's still worth paying attention to, especially if it doesn't go away. Another sign, erectile dysfunction. Yeah, we're going there, because it matters. Most guys chalk up performance issues to stress, age, or fatigue, and sure, those can play a part. But when the prostate is involved, especially if it's inflamed or compromised by cancer, it can affect the nerves and blood flow responsible for erections. Going to the bathroom more often than usual, especially at night. Frequent urination, particularly after bedtime, can be a sign that your bladder isn't emptying completely. And if the prostate is pressing on the urethra, that's exactly what can happen. That brings us right into another symptom. That nagging feeling like your bladder's never really empty. You finish, but a few minutes later, you feel the urge again. Now let's talk about something most men don't expect. Painful ejaculation. It's not common, and when it happens, it often gets brushed off. But ejaculation pain, whether it's sharp, burning, or just uncomfortable, can be a sign of something going wrong in the prostate. Speaking of pain, let's talk about pain during urination. Burning, stinging, discomfort. You might assume it's a UTI or dehydration. But if it's recurring or showing up with any of the other symptoms we've talked about, prostate cancer could be in the picture. Finally, maybe you've noticed that your urine stream isn't what it used to be. Weaker, slower, stops and starts. This might seem like a minor annoyance, but again, it's about pressure. A growing prostate, especially one affected by cancer, can narrow the urethra and reduce urine flow. These are your early warnings. They're not always caused by cancer, but they're never something to ignore. The earlier you catch prostate cancer, the more options you have, the better your chances of full recovery.